Autumn has arrived, so I thought I'd give you a tour around the lake while I'm shooting this video so you can appreciate the beautiful colors. In this video, you'll discover the 10 lessons I learned this year about marketing on YouTube. Hello, my name is Herman Drost. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. According to Albert Einstein, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. It's the same with YouTube. It's easy to get comfortable and do the same thing over and over again and expect different results. You then wonder why your YouTube channel is not growing. Number 1, know your target audience. A lot of people blame YouTube for not having success on YouTube, but it's really up to the audience that decides your success. If you know your target audience, then you know what kind of problems they have and you can find the solutions for them. If you don't know the audience that you're serving, then it'll be very difficult to create content that they really like. If they don't like your content, they're not going to watch your videos and your channel won't grow. Here's a couple of different tips to know your target audience. Be your own target audience, so you know the problems of your audience and you know the solutions. Survey your audience. One way to do this is to look for questions in groups and forums. You can also look in the comments on your own video as well as other people's videos. Number 2, improve one thing in each video you upload. Instead of doing the same thing in every video for several weeks or several years, try to improve one thing in each video you upload. For example, you could be improving your audience retention. You could be improving your thumbnails or your delivery. It makes sense to always be testing something in your video so you can make incremental improvements. For example, recently I've been split testing my thumbnails and discovered the ones that I like are not necessarily the ones that do the best. You can also test how-to videos with storytelling videos. You can try changing different backgrounds like I'm doing here. You can change the format, the presentation, or even the end screens. If you want to compare different groups of videos, click the link in the card to watch my video on how to compare different groups of videos. Number 3, get feedback from others. It's easy to fall in love with your own videos, so you don't get a very objective view about your own videos. There's a saying that says, it's hard to see the forest for the trees. Number 4, track video performance to see what's working. YouTube provides great analytics to see which videos are getting the most traffic. If you go to YouTube Analytics, Traffic Sources, then look under YouTube Search and YouTube Suggested Videos to find the videos that are getting the most traffic. You can also click on the subscribers link to find which videos are attracting the most subscribers. Once you've identified those videos that are getting the most traffic and the most subscribers, then create more of those particular types of videos. Don't use the same title, but choose a slightly different title and have a different angle for your content. Number 5, keep an eye on trends in your niche. A couple of different ways to do this is to keep an eye on Google Trends or set up a Google Alerts in your email box. When there's a hot trend in your niche, you can get a lot of traffic in a short time. For example, when the new requirements came out for the YouTube Partner Program of 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers, I created a video on how you can generate revenue from your videos without 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers. Click the link in the card to watch that video. It's one of my most popular ones. Number 6, use keyword research tools to speed up the keyword research of your videos. For example, I used the free Chrome extension TubeBuddy to determine if my keywords are worth going after. TubeBuddy gives you a keyword score based upon your channel to determine if your video is going to rank or not. It has many other features that help manage your YouTube channel and save you a ton of time. Click the link in the card to watch my review of TubeBuddy. Number 7, don't be afraid to try something new. For instance, I'm trying something new by shooting outside. For weeks or years, you might have done the same thing, so why not try something different? For example, you could do a reaction video. You could do a collaboration with somebody else in your niche. You can interview an expert. You could do a live stream. Recently, YouTube came out with premieres, where you can chat live with your viewers before and during the video. Give it a try and have a new experience. Number 8, don't compare yourself with others. When you compare your channel with other channels that are doing much better than you, it's easy to get depressed. Therefore, stay in your own lane, stay on your own track, and just be the best version of yourself. As I mentioned before, just focus on improving one thing in your videos each time you upload a new video. Number 9, be consistent. One of the big reasons why my channel grew over the years is that I had a consistent upload schedule. Instead of uploading once a week, I uploaded twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and do a live stream on Fridays. When viewers see that you're uploading consistently to your channel, they look forward to viewing your next video. One way to be consistent without getting stressed out is to batch record your videos. So what I normally do is write out 2 or 3 scripts and then record 2 or 3 at the same time. This helps me to stay ahead of my schedule so I don't get stressed. Number 10, have fun. If you're not having fun creating videos on your niche, when the going gets tough, it'll be hard to keep going. So make sure you're passionate about your niche before you start creating videos for it. If you want to know how to identify what's wrong with your channel or your videos, then download my free channel evaluation worksheet below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.